Secret Science Crew.
Science rules.
Science rules.
What's up, Falcons? It's your girl, Miss B-E-E-E-E-E, and I'm back with another vlog, okay? So, I told y'all I was not dating anymore, and I'm really not this time. So, but I decided I wanted to go to this little networking event to, like, meet some people, right? So, well, as soon as I stepped outside, I'm like, dang, it's really humid in the air. I feel like my hair is gonna start puffing up. But I don't take an umbrella with me because I'm like, okay, the sun's out. It's cloudy, but it's not too bad, right? Well, y'all, I'm in my Uber, right? It starts to drizzle just a little bit. And I'm like, oh my goodness. Is this really happening today? So, I get to the networking event, right? It's uptown Charlotte, you know, very nice. It's not a little lounge or whatever. And as soon as I step my big toe out the car, okay? As soon as I step my big toe out of the Uber, it starts to rain. And when I tell you this rain is like burning my skin, I'm like, what kind of rain is this? Then I remembered. I said, guys, I just taught my class about acid rain the other week. Acid rain. Do you guys know where acid rain comes from? Acid rain comes from when chemicals from smoke from exhaust pipes of cars and factories is taken up into water vapor, into clouds, right? And when those clouds get too heavy, they rain, but they're tainted at this point. They're tainted with acid rain, and it's like really, they're tainted with chemicals, mostly sulfur dioxide and some nitrogen oxides and stuff like that. This rain is like on my skin. It's making my skin dry out. It's making me ashy, y'all. I needed my cocoa butter, my shea butter, but I didn't have it, okay? So I'm like really upset. But then I said, dang, my Falcons really, they told me this was going to happen. They told me if I don't bring an umbrella, I will probably get hit with acid rain. I didn't think to listen to you guys, right? Well, anyway, about some acid rain. Acid rain can kill forests, leaves on trees, grass. It can get into our ecosystem. It can get into our lakes and oceans, kill our fish, okay? That's all you need to know today, guys. I'm just gonna quarantine myself for about 2 weeks. I'm not going to any more dates, any more networking events. I think I'm good. I'm gonna be happy with myself. Namaste. All right?
Welcome back to Story Time with Miss Linda Rains. Now, you notice I have my shawl over my hair because today I had some extreme weather take place. Now, being that my name is Miss Linda Rains, you know I enjoy the rain, but what I do not enjoy is that rain ruining my hair. So I had to go ahead and put my little shawl over my head to protect me. I was walking home from the grocery store because it's just around the corner, and I like to walk so I don't produce as much pollution in the air. So if I can walk, I'm going to walk. And I got myself my own little buggy. So I just take my own buggy back and forth from the grocery store, and I don't need to drive and put off those toxic chemicals into the air and cause that primary pollution. So anyways, I was going to the store. I was walking with my little buggy. I went to the store. I got my groceries. I got my arugula salad. I got my strawberries, and I got my bologna. Bologna. I got my bologna all ready to make some sandwiches for Mr. Rains. And I was on my way home, and I was just strutting home with my little buggy, and all of a sudden, some extreme weather happened. A tornado alarm started going off. You know, I do live kind of in the Midwest where they call Tornado Alley. And so we do have these these alarms go off. I don't always take them seriously, but you know what I did? Because I looked up at the sky and I saw some cumulonimbus clouds, and it was really weird. The sky looked strange. I mean, there was like kind of warm and sunny on one side, and it seemed like it was maybe like a high pressure system. Then I looked on the other side, it looked like a low pressure system, and I started thinking about the air masses and how I had like maybe a polar continental and then like a tropical maritime air mass. Well, you know what? They came and they ran right into each other. And when they ran right into each other, y'all, it caused a tornado. So I just hurried with my buggy back home as fast as I could. I put my shawl on my head to protect myself from that precipitation. But it was wild, you guys. It was so wild. Miss Linda Raines was not ready for that tornado. So right now, in case you couldn't tell, I'm bunkering down in my basement. There's a little bit of a tornado alarm in the background, but we're gonna keep it safe because my basement is under the ground and I am all prepared. I'm stocked up on toilet paper and milk and water because I just went to the grocery store. I'll let you know how this tornado ends up, but I'm not feeling too afraid. Mr. Raines he's over making sure we have everything stocked up and ready to go. But you guys have a great day. This has been Story Time with Miss Linda Raines.
Hey guys, Rhonda Review here. Today we're gonna be making a barometer. So you need a clear container. It can be a bottle, a soda bottle or best, but you want a clear container. On the side of your container, you want to take a ruler and mark it every 2 centimeters all the way to the top. Then you want a cup that you can put it in so that we can make our barometer. Take some water. You're gonna fill it up halfway. And then you're gonna take your cup, put it on top, and then quickly flip it over. And as you can see, it stops coming out when they meet at the bottom. So we now have a barometer, guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've added a little more water. We've made our barometer. So as good weather comes in, water will go up. So our high pressure system will force the water up. And that means we're gonna have a nice day. And then as a low pressure system comes in, the air pressure is gonna drop, which means water is gonna go down. So if you see this water go down, that means, guys, we might have a storm coming. Have a good day.
Yeah, Miss Moore.
I'm sorry.
Like, look at this ridiculousness.
Oh, well, you should have seen her.
More.
Yeah.
You know why the ocean was feeling so salty?
No, why?
Because the salt is actually too heavy to evaporate.